Hi everybody, it's Miss Erin. This week I'm going to show you a couple different things that you can do with dominoes. So if you have dominoes at home, get those out, and I'm going to show you a couple things that you can do with them at home. So the things that you're going to need to do some of this stuff are dominoes in any amount. So if you have a couple, great. If you have more, it'll be more fun. I also have some cars, just some little matchbox cars. You'll see why I have those in a second. Okay, so the first activity that some of you do with me in my room are we match the numbers. Okay, so I have a blue 5 on this one, and this one also has a blue 5. And then we put them together and make shapes. Okay, now I have a brown 4. So I'm going to look in my pile of dominoes over here and see if I can find the number 4 that has brown spots. Luckily, I have one. It's right here. Okay, and so then I'm going to make some crazy shapes matching my dominoes, matching the numbers. Okay, so now I need a red 3. Right here. Right here's one. Okay. Now I need a green 2. There's one. So I'm just gonna make a different, make whatever shape I would like. So I need another green 2. Here's one. And I'm just kind of making any shape that I would like to. Okay, so that's the first thing that you can do with dominoes. Just match the number. Put in any design that you would like. You can also stack dominoes. Okay, now these are really fun. You can put them in a line or in any kind of a shape and knock it over. But you have to be super careful. You don't want to knock the dominoes over before you're done designing it. Okay, so I'll put a couple more up to make a fancy design. And then I'm going to knock it over. And that's the best part of dominoes, is you get to knock them over. Okay. And the last thing that I'm going to show you is maybe you have some matchbox cars at home and you would like to build a racetrack. Maybe you can see this better. Okay, so I'm just going to start making a racetrack for my cars. You can make this really big, really small. It is up to you. And then maybe put a couple in the middle. And then you can race your car around. Okay. To make this harder, if some of these things are too easy for you, you can lay like I am on the floor. Lay on your bellies. You can also crawl across the room or do an animal walk to go get some dominoes and bring them back to make your racetrack or do your games with them. You can reach for them like I have been. Make sure you're reaching to both sides. You can count the numbers that you have. So I have a blue 5 and a green 2. You can say the colors. If this is too hard for you, maybe sitting at the table would make it easier. You can use less dominoes, and you can do dominoes that have smaller numbers. Hopefully we get to see some of your domino creations soon. Thanks everybody. Have a great week.